Delivery. After removing your new soak tank from its wooden shipping crate, wheel it through to where you would like to position it on your premises. As this tank is fully self-contained, no additional plumbing or electric hardwiring is required to get you started. There are a few practical benefits that should be considered. These include: try and locate your tank near an accessible floor drain and a convenient power point. It's also helpful to have a water tap close by, so a hose can be attached for when the tank needs filling. Once you have the tank in a convenient position, simply lock the tank casters in position so it can't move. Know your new soak tank. Your tank is dual-skinned and manufactured from 304 grade stainless steel, so that rust will never become a problem. The entire tank and its lid are fully insulated and built to retain heat. For the American, Canadian, and Mexican markets, all machines are wired for 110 to 120 volts with NEMA 515 standard plugs. For the Australian and New Zealand market, all machines are wired as 220 volt with the standard 3-pin plug. As an added safety feature, we have also included a locking bracket here, which stops the lid from closing unexpectedly. And should the need arise, you can also lock the tank and its contents here at this handle with any everyday padlock. The internal basket can be easily raised to fill or empty your cooking equipment. The basket can be easily secured to your desired height by these holding pins here. Now, when the tank's holding basket is removed, the heating elements can be found inside this waterproof stainless steel tube, situated at the bottom of the tank. The heating element and temperature settings are controlled by a digital thermostat, located on the side panel here. By way of efficiency, the tank draws around 8 to 10 amps of power to heat up the 2.4 kW elements. To get the best results when operating your tank, its liquid contents should be maintained at a constant 80 degrees Celsius, or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. And when the time comes to empty your tank, switch the power off at the wall socket, and then simply screw a 25mm or 1-inch hose adapter into the ball valve here. Then on the other end of the adapter, connect a flexible hose and run it to your nearby floor drain. Open the waste valve and the tank's contents will soon empty. Adapters and hose lengths are readily available at most local swimming pool supply stores. These interconnecting hose lengths normally come in 1 meter or 3-foot lengths. Making sure the power is off at the switch and the waste valve closed, your tank is now ready to be used. Please see our second training video on how to use your soak tank.